Good morning! Today is Seattle day. I have been so sick in bed the last couple of days, like canceled all my plans, and I've been so scared for today because I'm like, I hope this doesn't ruin the trip. So this morning energy levels are feeling a little I took my cold meds, so hopefully we will be good. Please like, comment, and subscribe because I love to have you come along for this trip. Hi! Reunited with T, and we're going to Seattle. See you soon! Yeah. Really, 3 stops away by bus, but on T's phone it's telling us to take a ferry.
Why is that an option?
We have a combined total of $80 cash. We're in Seattle.
Yeah!
We are getting lunch at this place. It's also happy hour, so good for economical girlies.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Wow. We made it to the hotel. Yay! It's so nice here. Oh my goodness. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna go get ready for the night and then we're going to go out and do some shopping around. T is curling her hair from the bed.
Hi.
And I might just join her because that looks very comfy.
Here's right there.
Update, we're now both curling our hair from the bed. Vlog update! So we just got ready for the night. Curled our hair on the bed as you saw earlier. We're heading to Cheesecake Factory? Yeah! We're on our way to Sephora and we got so lost.
Shoot, the arrow was turning this way.
A little overwhelmed by all the choice.
At the Cheesecake Factory! Yay! Menu was so overwhelming. We took a good like 15-20 minutes looking at it.
And then we found out there's a skinny-licious menu.
The cheesecake is going to be a whole other like 20 minutes looking at it.
Oh yeah, too many options.
Hold on. Suck it, mine. Suck it.
Bro, 6 feet. Wait, why is that guy just in there? What?
I'm dead again.
Good night. Good morning. Today we are going to Pike Place and then we are hitting up this Thai place for dinner.
So cute.
She is disgusting. We're currently on the hunt for clam chowder. Acquired the clam chowder. She's so good. We found the cow store.
Wait. Over there, and you're standing in front of this guy.
I have found the one thing that I came to the States for. T found it!
It's so plump.
It's so plump! Got her matcha ice cream. Oh.
So excited.
Found ourselves on another side quest. How we ask girls to move on the street. We're like, my dear sweet princess, please kindly take a step forward. And then to men, they're like, move.
Behind you, up.
Up. This smart girl made her matcha ice cream into a matcha drink. Girls are ready for a night out too. We swapped jackets. Yes!
Wait, Aaron, photo off over there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. To me, it's a Ferris wheel.
A little bit is a mix of like lounge and club. Not Joe Rogan.
Hey, we are at this really nice place for drinks right now. It's so vibey outside. He's very happy to be here. Up close. And so I mean, cheers, Tommy. Cheers.
Every day when you walk in. How does it start? Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet
Go off.
has an original point of view. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day.
How is it? Strong?
I don't taste that bad at all.
So pretty. Oh, she's cute.
Yeah, but seriously, he has so many like little stitches everywhere.
I love with the flash.
Oh, like, come over here, girl.
Yep.
And so he's like, she moved over here. So when I saw that happen, I was like, hey, Brody, come over here. Come get up there with her. You know, like, bro, come accompany her. He's like, hey, bro, you funny, man. You a good dude. And I'm like, I'm looking out for you, man. You know, your girl's looking for watch out for you, man. And so he's like, you a good dude, bro. Like, you a funny dude.
We are on our way home.
I gotta go grab him. You just ready?
We are stocking up on our coffee for tomorrow morning. Good morning. Today is our last day in Seattle, sadly, but we are packing up right now. We were both so tired this morning. Last night took us out in the best way possible. Oh, got some ramen and some curry. Good meal, splurged on some ramen, and now we're headed back to the hotel. Yes, we are. Yay. Just got back to Vancouver. The thought of school starting tomorrow makes me wanna. Yeah. But like, comment, and subscribe because we want to do future trips together.